Renewable resources are a crucial problem in our world. Consumption is increasing every day. Planetary Resources is born to solve this problem in 2009. The aim of the company is finding water which contains hydrogen and oxygen as fuel for spacecrafts and mining unrenewable resources as construction materials. There is no big company in this area. However, there are several other startups currently in progress, which are Deep Space Industries, Moon Express, and Kepler Communications. According to Harvard Business Study, 85% of 30,000 new products launched failed due to poor market segmentation. This study reveals the importance of market segmentation in present market situation. Space market is a new market that a future beyond. While segmenting industrial market, several steps can be applied. In space market, the location of the projects quite different. Therefore, market segmented to three main parts considered as different locations. Planetary resources focus on outer space, beyond the orbit and Earth. As mentioned earlier, Planetary Resources wants to harvest mine and water to sell space technology companies. Their long-term goal is sell water as fuel for spacecrafts, mines for constructions in space. In short run, there is a need for hot money. Planetary Resources try to get hot money from consulting World Mines Company. In addition to that, the company have national fundings on their back. In long term, water and mines will be harvested and sold to the companies which will be the main income source of Planetary Resources. Because of working with the industrial companies, there is not much channel people to reach to them. Planetary Resources makes them reachable by adding all their contact us menu in their website. When they reach to the company, relation between customers and the company will not just be the trading. They will be joint ventures in the space journey. Key resources of the company is basically their Mindfinder spacecrafts. Researchers are not only help spacecrafts more efficient but also do the consultancy. Space mining and consultancy the main activities for entry of the hot money for the company. Moreover, they get help from spacecraft launchers which enables their mining spacecraft to do their jobs. Their current launch provider is Blue Origin. Communication and tracking help the scientists to control spacecraft from Earth and collect necessary data. Mining and exploration costs are the major elements in the cost structure of Planetary Resources by being too expensive to build a new spacecraft and send it to the space. The issue of this market is to be dependent to national funding which is determined by government. Because of that, companies need to find new ways to get hot money for their future investments. Space sector is developing all the time. Planetary Resources should invest in water harvesting firstly. By doing that, they will not only improve their profit but also they will contribute to the humankind's space range. Because spacecraft lose their 90% of the fuel while they breach the atmosphere. On the other hand, Planetary Resources and their competitors still don't know how to extract mines at zero gravity. This technology trend will be their milestone if they keep an eye on. Another point is extracting mines and harvesting water is not directly related with people. Because of that, any socio-economic or cultural trends cannot affect space companies directly.